Hello friends, I am Dr. Subhash Pawar. This is our first lecture on group theory. In group theory, we start a binary operation.
Binary operation is a function mapping from set S cross S into S. Definition: binary operation is function mapping star from S cross S into S for any order pair AB in S. We will denote star of AB is equal to A star B. In some book, it is also called closure property, or another way, it is also say S is closed under star. For example, here our usual addition in binary operation on set of integers, set of rational numbers, set of real numbers and set of complex numbers. Second example, here set of matrices of all orders and matrix addition is not a binary operation in this set. Here A is any matrix, B is any matrix, belongs to M(R). A plus B not defined if A and B differ in row or in column. That means number of row in A or number of column in B differ. Here that means A is n by m matrix and B is suppose n by p matrix. Then A plus B does not exist. Here another example. Let R star set of all non-zero real numbers. In R star, as usual addition is not a binary operation. Here suppose 3 minus 3 belongs to R star, but 3 plus minus 3 is equal to 0 does not belongs to R star. So this addition is not binary operation on R star. That means set R star is not closed under addition. Next definition. Like star is binary operation. Star is binary operation on yes, and H is a subset of yes. If A star B belongs to H for all A comma B belongs to H, that means H is closed under star. That means H is closed under star. Then star is induced operation on H. Then star is called. Then star is called induced operation. On H. Here set of real numbers is binary operation. Our usual addition is binary operation. If we take R star is a subset of R. By this example, here R star not closed under addition. So addition is not induced operation on R star. Again, next example here. Z set of integers and addition is binary operation on Z. If we define H such that A square A belongs to Z plus, then here addition is not induced on H. Why? Here 1 square is equal to 1 belongs to H and 2 square is equal to 4 belongs to H. But 1 plus 4 is equal to 5 does not belongs to H, because 5 is not a square of integer. 5 is not a square of integer. 5 does not belong. That means closure property not satisfied. Multiplication is induced operation on H. Here R comma S belongs to H. This implies there exists A comma B belongs to Z plus such that R is equal to, in the form A square and S is equal to B square, like this. Multiplication of RS is equal to A square into B square. This is by laws of indices AB square, and clearly this belongs to H. That means RS belongs to H. And so H satisfies closure property for multiplication. And so multiplication is induced operation on H. Now another example. If you take example like F, set up mapping from R to R, that means real valued function with domain R. Addition, multiplication and composition defined on F as follows. That means addition of two functions F plus G defined by F plus G of X is equal to F of X plus G of X. Similarly, F into G defined by F into G of X is equal to F of X into G of X, and F composition G defined by F composition G of X is equal to F of G of X. Here domain and codomain are same, that means domain of codomain of first function is equal to domain of second function, so composition function exists. These three operations, addition of functions, multiplication of function, composition of functions, are binary operations on this set, because here F is a real valued function, G is a real value, then F plus G of X is equal to F of X is a real value, G of X also real value, and again addition of real numbers is again real number, so this is also real valued function. Similarly, F into G, F of X is real, G of X real, then product is real, so this is real valued function, so belongs to F. Similarly, composition F of G of X, G of X is a real number, and F of real number, F of G of X is again real number, so it is binary operation. Composition is also binary operation. We take set of matrices, M cross N with real entries. Okay, then usual matrix addition is binary operation. A comma B belongs to this set. Clearly A is of order m by n, B is of order m by n. then A plus B defined. But matrix multiplication, is not binary operation. Is not binary operation. Why it is not binary operation? A is m by n matrix, B is m by n matrix, but product does not exist because columns of A is not equal to rows of B. Here columns of A is n and rows of B is equal to m. Product exists if number of columns of A is equal to number of rows of B, and so it is not a binary operation. Now if we take suppose another set m n cross n matrices with real entry set, and multiplication, matrix multiplication is binary operation. Matrix multiplication. Here product exists and all entries are real numbers. A is a n by n matrix, B is a square matrix of order n. Then AB product exists, so it is binary operation. Now next definition. Commutative. Star is binary operation. Star is said to be commutative if A star B is equal to B star A. A binary operation star on yes. A binary operation star on yes is said to be commutative if A star B is equal to B star A for all A comma B belongs to S. Commutative law satisfied, and so star satisfied commutative property. It is called commutative property. Our usual addition, multiplication are commutative in set of integers, rational numbers, complex numbers, real numbers. But if we take suppose subtraction is not satisfy commutative property. Here if we take 2, 3 belongs to Z, then 2 minus 3 is not equal to 3 minus 2. So this is not satisfy commutative. Similarly, matrix multiplication. In this example here, this is binary operation, matrix multiplication in this set, but it is not commutative because matrix multiplication is not commutative. AB is not equal to BA, so it is not a commutative. Now next definition is associative. Associative. A binary operation star our set yes is said to be associative if A star in bracket B star C is equal to A star B out of bracket C. Okay, here a binary operation star on yes is said to be associative, said to be associative if A star in bracket B star C is equal to A star B bracket complete star C for all A comma B comma C belongs to yes. This is associative property. If this property satisfies, then we say that binary operation is associative. For example, here if we take operation subtraction on real number, clearly it is binary operation on R, but it is not associative. If we take 2 minus 3 minus 5 is not equal to 2 minus 3 minus 5. That means associative property not satisfied. So it is not a associative binary operation. Our usual addition, multiplication is associative binary operation. Also matrix multiplication in a set of square matrices is also associative property satisfied. Also associative property satisfied. Composition of functions also associative property satisfied. Here theorem associativity of composition. Associativity of composition. Let S be the set of all, let yes be any set and all set of all function mappings from yes into yes. Yep. Okay. Set of all function mapping from yes to yes, and it is denoted by suppose F. Like this, and define composition operation here. Then F composition G composition H is equal to F composition G composition H. We want to show here these two functions have a same value for x belongs to S. Here LHS. F of G of H of X is equal to, here treat this is one function and F is another function. F is one function and G of H is second function. In composition, we define composition in our example and solve this way. That means F of G of H of X. This is one function. Again, solve this. F as it is, solve for this. G of H composition. G of like this, G of H of X. Okay? RHS. Same way, F composition G composition H of X is equal to, this is one function and this is another function. First, solve composition for these two functions. That means F composition G of H of X. Again, take this is variable. H of X is as a variable and solve for these two functions, F composition. That means suppose this is variable. F composition G of this H of X. Here, these two values are equal. That means LHS is equal to RHS. So, these two sides are equal and therefore, we say that here function composition satisfy associative property. Okay, we will see in next lecture. Thank you.